nay malo sa kwarto kay ni.
Ako di man ako po, okay.
Oh my God. I'm not going to the pharmacy. You wearing this? Oh my God. Okay, because Jackie, you are alone. No, I'm not. I'm with my workmates, Ate Lorna. Because Melissa is going to the province. She's going home. Only Ate Lorna is here. She's watching Korean novela. Korean movie. She's always watching that. Everyone knows how old. That's why they can answer the votes. They can answer the poll. Hello, three viewers. Thank you so much. Guys, 7 minutes ago, and I have to end my live. I have to um, do I have to do um, a silent live later. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, guys. Okay. Um, thank you so much for always joining. Becca's, Hedge, Danny, and Goldsmith. Thank you.